What's up guys, Crypto EJRJ. Maikli lang ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang Gladiaverse. Let the final battle begin. Yan po, to your financial independence. But guys, disclaimer lang, the information provided by Gladiaverse is accurate. Itong information na ito. And the creators are not responsible for the decision based on this information. So investing in cryptocurrency carries risk and may result in losses. So users should research and consider financial advice before investing. By using Gladiaverse, you accept this risk, guys. Alright, so what is Gladiaverse? Gladiaverse is a smart contract on the Tron network that which each cryptocurrency arbitrage system. Ibig sabihin, smart contract, kusang nag-work ito. Okay? Kusang may mga codes, yan, dineploy sa Tron blockchain, and they are using arbitrage system. So that's the reason they pay users up to 3.1% variable daily, 7 days in a week directly to your TRX wallet. So, ano ba yung mga benefits natin dito? So, Arbitrage Operation Panel, magkakaroon tayo yan sa ating dashboard. Transaction history, meron tayo. Deposit account activation, program selection, online notification, bilingual support, affiliate link, and binary configuration. Simple lang dito yung marketing, guys. Binary system lang. At tapos may passive. So, yung 500 TRX mo or sa JB1, pwede tayong kumita dyan ng 0.3%. Fix na po yan and daily. Pero kung JB2 ang kukunin natin, 1,000 TRX, pwede tayong kumita dyan ng 7% sa binary. And from 1.1% up to 3.1% variable. So, pwede siyang magbago. Ito yung kinuha ko, JV2. So, I have 1,000 TRX, binary, and 7%. Ano ba yung binary? So, simple lang guys, yung binary system. So, ito tayo guys. So, meron tayo dito, left and right team. So, magkakaroon tayo ng link dyan. Meron tayong naka-default na link. Kung left yung kukunin natin, lahat na may sponsor natin, yan, papasok dito sa left. Papasok dyan. Kung yung sponsor mo is yung ginamit rin niya na auto link, guys, is left. So, lahat ng papasok na yung sponsor niya is papasok doon sa left. So, sa left mo rin. Alright, so what if guys, magkakaroon ka dyan, makakalikom ka niyang 1 million TRX. Dito ka naman mag-develop. So, meron ka ng strong leg. So, depende na sa'yo kung ilan yung ano mo. Meron din dito auto link. Kumbaga, system na yung bahala kung saan siya ilalagay yung ma-register mo, left or right ba. So, kung meron papasok dito, again, yan, kagandaan sa binary, itong mapapasok mo dito, ayun, mag-entry yan sila, tapos may sponsor naman sila. Lahat ng papasok dito, guys, let us say, ngayong araw na to, meron kang 10,000 TRX, guys. So, 10,000 TRX, since JV2 yung kinuha mo, 7% ka, 7% ng 10,000, yan po yung income mo sa binary. Alright, so, dyan naman, magmaminus ito ng 10,000, di ba? Nasa strong leg pa rin yung dito nga side, sa left mo. So, another day naman, meron pumasok na dito sa mga hindi mo na alam kung pinakailalim, di ba? Kasi infinite to. Hanggang pinakailalim. Meron pumasok na 1,000, di ba? 7% dyan, kikitain mo since JV2. What if guys, 64,000 TRX, meron ka binary 21%, and from 1 to 1.1% up to 3.1, meron ka pang extra 0.3 as a variable. So, meron kang 21% dyan sa binary. Kung yan ang kinuha mo, di ba? So, 21% ng 1,000, yan yung makikitain mo. Daily po yan, papasok automatic doon sa wallet natin. So, ganun lang po kasimple guys yung marketing ng Gladiaverse. May binary, tapos yung passive nito is variable, pwedeng magbago from 1.1 to 3.1% daily. So, at based on my experience, meron po akong kinikita dito na 2.1% daily po yan. So, directly into my wallet. Dito ay yung accelerator bandang dito is 2x. So, yung 1,000 mo, it's magiging 2,000, mag-stop na po yung earning mo. So, make sure na maubos na yung 2,000 is bibili na tayo ulit ng another package, or kung hindi pa ubos, pwede tayong bumili ng another package dito as JB2 or JB3. Nasa iyo po yung decision. Alright, so powered by the state-of-the-art artificial intelligence by the community liquidity pool. So ibig sabihin, meron silang sariling meron silang sariling fund na ginagamit sa kanilang arbitrage na system para tayo kumita ng up to 3.1% daily 7 days in a week. So trade history is visible in your back office. So magkakaroon tayo niyan, guys. So for this time hindi pa kasi available yung sa back office. They have arbitrage and Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, and Bybit. Alright, so yun lang po, and thank you for watching.